What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I just wanted to update you guys on the whole Zadeh Kicks. I just found out that's how you say it. Zadeh Kicks fiasco. In my last video, I did speak on how I too was affected. I ended up, getting got. So I put in one of the pre-orders for the Chicago ones that's supposed to be coming out this year. I think it's in November now. Just wanted to update you guys on the status of the situation, and also me personally, I was fortunately able to get my money back, probably because it was not that long after I had ordered or put in the pre-order that I actually filed the claim, but also it wasn't that much money. It was only one pair, where I know certain people, they order bulk pairs, and I really hope that you all, whoever was affected, were able to get your money back. I came across an article that was touching on the actual court case and what he was charged with, and it stated that it was from the United States Attorney's Office, District of Oregon. Now, if you know, he was based out of Eugene, Oregon, which, Nike is in the same area, and he had his pre-order business, Zadeh Kicks, where he was offering pre-orders for exclusive hype items, Jordan 1s, all that, way in advance before they even released. And if you're just now catching up, he filed for bankruptcy. That ended up leaving a lot of people SOL, but it looks like karma caught up, and so we're going to check out this article from the District of Oregon. So it says, Zadeh Kicks owner and chief financial officer charged an $85 million wire fraud and bank fraud conspiracy. Fraud victims asked to submit lost information to the FBI. Oh yeah, he's done. He's done. I didn't know it was that deep. So Eugene, Oregon, the former owner and chief financial officer of Zadeh Kicks LLC, a now defunct Oregon corporation that sold limited edition and collectible sneakers online, made their first appearances in federal court today after being charged with perpetuating a fraud scheme that allegedly cost customers more than $70 million in unfulfilled orders and defrauded financial institutions out of over $15 million. Oh man, I didn't know it was this deep. I didn't know it was this deep. I knew that he was putting out pre-orders, taking some of that money in, pretty much a Ponzi scheme. He was ordering pairs with the money that he had gotten that he didn't have yet. And once I think the way it works is once he got those pairs in and he got the money from the next set, I don't even know how this works. Michael Zadeh, 39, a Eugene resident, has been charged by criminal information with wire fraud, conspiracy to commit bank fraud, and money laundering. Bethany Mockerman, 39, also of Eugene, has been charged with conspiring with Zadeh to commit bank fraud. So she went down with him. According to court documents, Zadeh started his business in 2013 by purchasing limited edition and collectible sneakers to resell online. Fair. Beginning as early as January 2020, Zadeh Kicks began offering pre-orders of sneakers before their public release dates, allowing Zadeh to collect money up front before fulfilling orders. Zadeh advertised, sold, and collected payments from customers for pre-orders, knowing he could not satisfy all orders placed. So he's been corrupt this whole time. I don't know. I would watch some of his lives on Instagram, and dude seemed kind of sketchy. This confirms it. For example, in 2021, Zadeh began selling pre-orders of Nike Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray sneakers. Zadeh Kicks received and accepted pre-order sales of over 600,000 pairs of sneakers, resulting in payments to Zadeh of more than $70 million. Bro, wait a second. Wait. So this man took payments for 600,000 pairs of Cool Gray 11s. The rumor was there was only around 1 million pairs total. So if you do the math, this man is saying he essentially was going to be able to fulfill more than half the total stock of these Cool Gray 11s from Nike. Oh yeah, nah, this dude, yeah, he got whatever's coming to him. That's crazy. Zadeh had no way of acquiring the quantity of sneakers, obviously, needed to fulfill the pre-orders received. In fact, he was only able to acquire just over 6,000. This man only touched 6K pairs and he took payments for over 600,000. Oh, throw that man under the jail. That's crazy. And that's unfortunate because there was so many people getting into the sneaker game and a lot of people was looking forward to these Cool Gray 11s. He went ahead and took advantage of all of those people. That is so unfortunate, man. Customers were either left with unfulfilled orders or they received a combination refund of cash and Zadeh Kicks gift cards. By April 2022, Zadeh owed customers more than $70 million in undelivered sneakers and unknown additional millions held by customers and worthless company gift cards. So not only, because I remember some people were saying that they would either get gift cards, or they would move some money to the next pre-order if the other pre-order either got canceled or they didn't want to wait as long anymore. So he was pretty much just delaying the inevitable, which I owe you this money back. I know I'm not going to get the sneakers in, but what I'll do is I'll give you a gift card. So when the next pair comes out that you want, you can use that gift card on that. But in actuality, you were never going to see those pairs, or you may get lucky and be one of the first few to actually see those pairs. In her role as Zadeh Kick's chief financial, she was the CFO. Lord. Mockerman conspired with Zadeh to provide false and altered financial information to numerous financial institutions, including providing altered bank statements on more than 15 bank loan applications. Together, Mockerman and Zadeh received more than 15 million in loans from these applications. So not only are they lying to customers, not only are they lying to clientele, they're lying to the banks. That's where you messed up right there. There's a paper trail. Come on, man. As a part of the government's ongoing criminal investigation, federal agents have seized millions of dollars in cash and luxury goods that Zadeh acquired with the proceeds of his fraud. The seized items include nearly 100 watches, some valued at over 400,000, jewelry, and hundreds of luxury handbags. So this man was finessing watches, pretty sure Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, YSA's, probably all kinds of bags this man had. The government also seized nearly 6.4 million in cash, which was the result Malek Zadeh's sale of watches and, well, they must have meant result of watches and luxury cars manufactured by Bentley, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, and others. Wow. Zadeh and Mockerman are cooperating with the government's investigation, including the seizure of assets described above. Both made their first appearances in federal court today before U.S. Magistrate Judge Mustafa T. Kasubai, I guess, and were released, conditions pending further court proceedings. Wait, they were released? Are they out on bail right now? Did I read that right? If you or someone you know were a Zadeh Kicks customer with unfulfilled orders, or otherwise believe you were defrauded by Malek Zadeh or Mockerman, the FBI wants to hear from you. Yo, this is crazy, man. So they have a link that you can go and complete an online questionnaire. Wow, this case is being investigated by IRS, Criminal Investigations, FBI, and Homeland Security. God damn! Bro. Whoa. The FBI. Whoa. Please be safe out there, y'all. When it comes to these pre-orders, man, either make sure it's either from dependable company like Finish Line, JD Sports, because they're doing pre-orders as well now. Someone you know that can get their hands on a sneaker that you know and trust and tried and true. I'm pretty sure he's not the only one that did this, but to this scale, well, he's the only one that's been caught. Other than that, just be patient. Just be patient, try on release day, and if all else fails, just pay resale. Now, I know this was in Oregon, and he sold a lot of Nikes, which makes this kind of a Nike debacle. In the next video, we'll talk about the Adidas debacle that was known as Yeezy Day. And also, we will be unboxing a pair that I was able to secure on release day. Until then, check out this video to see what NBA legend inspired me to create my own Nike by You.